My name is Len Forkas, and I'm the founder of HopeCam. I started HopeCam in 2002 when my 9-year-old son Matt was diagnosed with leukemia. And at the toughest time of his life, when he needed to be with his friends the most, he was stuck at home going through treatment. The biggest challenge with kids that have cancer is loneliness and isolation. In order for the chemotherapy to work, they have to suppress their immune system. They can't go to school because they can't take the risk of catching cold. And as a dad, I wanted to do anything I could to help him feel less lonely. So we put a web camera in his classroom and one in our home. And you should have been in the room when those two cameras clicked on. And my son could see his friends and they could see him. Those 24 kids in the classroom saw my son go through treatment in real time. They saw the changes. They saw his face balloon up from the steroids, his hair fall out. By putting a web camera in my son's classroom and one in our home, we were able to bridge this deep divide between my son's loneliness and the classroom where his friends were located. What DeepLens has the opportunity to do is to build on that foundation and take it to a whole new level. The DeepLens Health Challenge has a huge opportunity to help HopeCam, just from the visibility for people to see what we do, but also for every submission, HopeCam gets a benefit. I'm really excited about the DeepLens Health Challenge, just to see what the development community can come up with to change the lives and improve the health of so many people.